Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making a pillow using items from the Target Dollar Spot.
Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't have a plan.
So I just started by buying a couple packages of these bar towels. The nice thing is that it comes in a pack of 2, so you have one for the front side of your pillow and one for the back side. So you're just going to start by laying them out. You want to have what will eventually face out on the inside, so you can tell right here I do have them inside out, and you're just going to start pinning around the edges just to kind of keep it together so that you can sew them together.
I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to a favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye. Something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you.
The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to lay out my pom-pom balls on the edges just to kind of arrange them and see how I want them. I made these pom-pom balls myself using this little contraption thing that I have. I'll link that below if I can find it. But I left some of the yarn purposely long so that I could sew them into the pillows. You can see here you're going to want the ball to be on the inside, and you're going to want the tails of the pom-poms hanging out.
On a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like
Now this next part, I'm going to be really honest with you guys. This is more so for probably at least a intermediate sewer. If you're a beginning sewer on a sewing machine, this may be a little bit difficult for you. I just say that because I've been sewing most of my life, and this was kind of hard to work with. You have to kind of push the pom-pom balls down and make sure that you are getting the tails in the seams. So if you aren't super comfortable with a sewing machine, maybe use some glue, I don't know, but I felt it was really important to show this part too. I did not catch all of my pom-pom balls in the seam, and some of them, one came out and one of them started coming out. So I showed this just to show you that this is what can happen if you don't catch them correctly. So you can see right here, I'm trying to push it back through, but it wasn't working, so I turn it back inside out, and I end up kind of going back and reinforcing all of the pom-pom balls on the seam. You'll notice I just go back and forth several times just in the area of where the pom-pom balls are.
Push or pull. I am going mad just like you knew I would. You're reading me like an open book. You know me better than
if you're sewing or if you're using hot glue, make sure that you leave an opening at the bottom so that you can stuff your pillow. You can see that I stuffed my pillow pretty good. The firmer the pillow, the higher quality it's going to look, so my advice is to definitely don't skip on the stuffing. So once you get it stuffed, you will just close up that stitch at the bottom. I ended up doing it by hand, but you can of course use hot glue, you can use the machine. I just like to use my hand stitch because I feel like it looks the best. And here is the completed pillow. I think it turned out so cute. It looks like something you would find at like a Dillard's or something like that. Be sure to tune in tomorrow because I have an even easier pillow idea. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.